Strawberry Land.
Hello, it's been a while. Are you ready to sing and learn about sea creatures? Come on!
Welcome to the ocean wide. Let's go on a fishy ride. So many creatures we can see. Come and sing along with me. This is jellyfish. It can swish, swish, swish. Don't touch its tentacles, they can be dangerous. It's a dolphin, he is friendly. He can swim and jump so gently. He's got smooth and shiny skin. Watch him dance and laugh and spin. Octopus has 8 legs, count. Oh, what a great amount. It can be purple, gray, and red. It has got tentacles and head. Narwhal looks like a unicorn because it has got magic horn. It likes to swim left and right in mighty ocean day and night. The prickly puffer fish can pop, swim and roll and never stop. A hedgehog it looks like, don't you touch its sharpie spike. A seahorse is not really horse. It is so cute and small, of course. It can wobble side to side, riding seaweed like a slide. Look, a mermaid swims so graceful. She is so pretty, kind and playful. The tail so long, the body slim. Like a big fish she can swim. And the ocean so deep and dark, life's anglerfish with glowing spark. It is a lamp that gives him light when he's awake. It can shine bright. Underwater swim and play. In the sea we splash all day. From the reef to oceans wide, we've got finny friends to guide. Whale is big and strong and wise. His belly's like a boat in size. He sings a song so deep and low and makes the bubbles rise and blow. Triton's beard is long and white. He rules the sea with calm and might. His golden shell calls fish to play. Let's dance beneath the waves today. This is a turtle in the sea. It can live so long and free. It's got a shell so hard and wide. When it's scared, it can hide. Go squid, go zoom with inky squirt. He hides so fast in muddy dirt. With twisty arms he spins all day and plays cool games and swims away. The happy seal can wave and clap with his flippers, tap, tap, tap. He loves to splash in the sun and loves cold ice. What a fun! Crab goes sideways, clack, 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 with shiny claws and a rosy back. He builds a house of stone and sand and waves at fish with his red hand. Starfish rests, arms so wide, glowing softly with the tide. She sparkles in the morning light and dreams all day. What a delight! Underwater swim and play. In the sea we splash all day. From the reef to oceans wide, we've got finny friends to guide. So many fish, so much to do. So many colors, green and blue. Wave goodbye and give a cheer. Let's come back again next year.
Let's revise! This is a dolphin. He is big and friendly. An octopus has got 8 tentacles. This is a seahorse. It is small and cute. The jellyfish has got wavy tentacles, but they are dangerous. The pufferfish is prickly like a hedgehog. The mermaid has got beautiful tail. This is a narwhal. He's got a horn. A crab can pinch with its big claws. This is a seal. It likes to play the ball. A sea turtle can live very long. This is a squid. It can release ink and escape. An anglerfish has a glowing fishing rod on its head that looks like lamp. This is a whale. It is extremely huge. A starfish lives on the sandy bottom of the ocean. What sea creature haven't we mentioned? Write in comments and I will make a new song with more sea animals for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.